Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please George also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest videos. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas, beautiful cowl free ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern, and fabulous crocheting work. Mind-blowing pattern, different colors. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern, stylish and most demanding, most wearing, most likely crochet collection. Young girls mostly like crochet dresses. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. Most demanding, beautiful ideas, crochet pattern, free ideas, fabulous and trendy crocheting work. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is in front of you. And you can ask me in the comment section what you want next more about crochet collection. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And please go to my pin section. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.